Diabetes is a global health challenge impacting millions. This quick video is packed with life-changing, proven steps based on cutting-edge scientific research to help you take control and improve your health. Let's dive in. Recent breakthroughs have shown that diabetes can be managed, even reversed, through lifestyle changes rooted in science. Dr. Roy Taylor from Newcastle University demonstrated in a landmark study, published in Lancet, that a low-calorie diet can reverse type 2 diabetes by reducing fat around the liver and pancreas, restoring insulin function. Similarly, Dr. Sarah Hallberg's work with Virta Health has shown how a ketogenic diet, low in carbs and high in healthy fats, can lead to long-term diabetes remission. These findings, supported by research in Frontiers in Endocrinology, show that diet is a powerful tool for change. Studies also emphasize specific dietary choices. No. 1. Fruits to eat. Low glycemic options like blueberries, strawberries, apples, and oranges. These fruits provide essential nutrients without causing blood sugar spikes. No. 2. Fruits to avoid. High sugar options like mangoes, bananas, pineapples, and grapes should be limited. No. 3. Vegetables to prioritize. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and vibrant vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini. These are high in fiber and stabilize blood sugar levels. No. 4. Vegetables to limit. Starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, and sweet potatoes, which can raise blood sugar. Instead, focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, the meat, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, tofu, and legumes. Avoid processed meats like bacon and sausages, which often contain added sugars and unhealthy fats. Choose whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. Avoid refined grains such as white bread, pasta, and white rice. Exercise. Exercise is just as critical. Dr. James Levine from the Mayo Clinic recommends 30 minutes of daily aerobic activity like brisk walking or cycling. Combine this with resistance training twice a week to enhance insulin sensitivity and muscle strength. Harvard Medical School's research highlights intermittent fasting as another promising approach. Eating within an 8-hour window can improve glucose control and allow the pancreas to rest, as shown in studies published in Cell Metabolism. Avoid these common mistakes. Skipping meals, which can destabilize blood sugar. Overeating diet products that often contain hidden sugars. Neglecting portion sizes, even for healthy foods. Forgetting to stay hydrated, as water is crucial for regulating blood sugar. To sum up, here are the key points. Follow a science-backed diet, low in carbs or calories. Prioritize non-starchy vegetables, low glycemic fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Exercise regularly with a mix of aerobic and resistance activities. Consider intermittent fasting as a tool to enhance insulin function. Stay consistent and avoid common mistakes for long-term success. Do you have any question? Comment below. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to help us to spread this life-changing mission.